time to get back to work on the Baja-Ha mini bike project. I haven't filmed a lot because I'm just painting it. I'm just rattle canning it, and I'm really not the guy to learn from. If you want to see good painting, there's lots of other channels out there, and this is, you know, it's turning out okay, but there was never an attempt to make this perfect, so it'll do. One thing I was really struggling with though was graphics, and being that we have this Mexican theme, I really wanted to avoid the Mexican blanket and cactuses and sombreros kind of cliches. Doing a little bit of research into Baja, California, and the Talavera tiles really appealed to me. So I found some designs that I liked, but I wasn't sure how I was going to get those onto the bike. Then I found out that Cricut actually makes a printable vinyl, and I have a Cricut cutter and stuff. That's how I do like even my shirts with the iron on. So with that, I was able to make, and I hope these are durable enough, I'm going to clear coat them carefully, but some tile designs for the fenders. And I also cut out the names for the fuel tank out of another tile design. So hopefully I don't damage these. The ink is pretty fragile. But it's time to put them on, and we'll see how they look. I'm pretty excited. Starting with the rear decal. I'm going to do this a little differently than I thought before. I'm just going to peel off a little bit here, so I can get it lined up and then go from there. Now, part of this is going to actually cover the mounting hole here, but that's all right. I don't get too many shots with this, so it's important to get it right. Wow, okay. That went really, really, really well. I am very pleased with that. Is it a little off center? Probably, yeah. Definitely, actually. The speeds this thing's going to travel, that's all right. I'm pretty pleased with how that looks. That's going to look really good on there. So again, it's going to need a couple light clear coats. Just build them up very lightly and slowly so as not to dissolve the ink, and then it should become one with the fender here. All right, time for the second one. I did lay out a bit of a center to work with, so let's confirm that this design is centered. Actually, no, it isn't. It's pretty close though. Okay, so again, kind of one shot. That went really well. I did reverse this fender, so normally it would sit this way on the bike, but now it's going to sit this way. And let's see, I think that turned out really, really well. Fantastic. I can't wait to get these clear coated and get this bike together. It's gonna be fun. Next challenge is the decals for the fuel tank. All right, so the fuel tank decals are applied in a transfer style. So you cut them out on the Cricut, peel off the surrounding and the excess, apply this tape, and then when we peel this off, in theory, yeah, there we go, it stays behind there. Now, the next theory is that when we apply this to here, it sticks well enough to this that when we peel the transfer tape off, it leaves the design behind. Nice thing about using vinyl is it can handle a bit of curvature too, especially since they're individual letters. burnish it down with our tool here. Ah! I don't think I could ask for much better than that. That turned out really well. Time to do the other side. Woohoo! Oh my.